at Scholars School Programming and Coding Classes. Introducing Coding and Software Programming by QB64, that is QBasic 64 for classes 4th onwards. Follow these steps for how to use mobile phone or tab for basic programming. This is for the students do not have computers. First, go to Google Chrome. In Google, type tutorials.qb64 compiler. Then it will show as online ya basic compiler. Click on it, then it will show you a software-like programming screen. Now you can see this. It will work as like a software QB64. How you can execute in laptop or PC. Now first type the program and write the program here and then. Click on Executive so that you can see the program output. For any queries or doubts, ask your teacher in the classroom.